.75. And no total fire bans on the horizon, but we are in for a prolonged spell of heat over the next 5 days. A warning's in place for a majority of the state. Inland temperatures
Emergency
hit
video.
highs, well, in the low 40s, as plenty of relief it's expected along the coast.
Get the Two Good Sports podcast with Abby
What
Delmy
the
and
fuck
Dorothy
are
Tunney
you
on the free
fucking doing?
iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts. It's sport done differently.
England's not impressed by the review technology.
What the fuck are you doing?
Carey's caught behind during day one action in the third action.
Oh, gee! Fucking car.
इससे क्या होगा नशा होगा?
इतने बजाने से नहीं होता। ये किलो मुझे सुबह मिल नहीं रही थी, तो वो मोटी नहीं बैठा उधर। आज is it so? Oh! Oh, and we went through a red light as well.
Yeah. Also, there are other tiny four-wheel drives out there that do pretty much everything a Jimny can do, but it's going to save you thousands, possibly tens of thousands of dollars. In fact, we're talking the JDM Import Jimny. It's basically the same thing, just a little bit smaller and a smaller engine. Or maybe a Mitsubishi Pajero Mini, or a Junior, or an EO, or our beloved Gen 1 RAV4 3-door, like the one.
He's not looking. Fucking idiot. This is a fuck. If you read. What the fuck?
Another one.
What the
That better be a cop car, surely.
What the fuck are you doing here? Go on your fucking road! Oh, fuck me, dude. Oh my god.
खूब सारे मतलब खूब मजाक उड़ाते थे सब सारे इट्स लाइक अ न्यू चैनल बट द फन इट वाज ग्रेट फन पूरा सेटअप तो उसके कई सीजन बॉटम्स अप था सन ऑफ बॉटम्स अप ग्रैंड सन ऑफ ग्रेट ग्रैंड सन तो इट वेंट एंड ईच शो हर शो करीब 100-150 शोज होते 100-150 200 300 ऐसे शो इतने करते थे
What are you doing, taxi? Fucking hell. Fuckhead! What the fuck you doing?
done.
Your Emirates journey and enjoy days by the pool at luxury hotels, evenings at world-class restaurants, and endless opportunities for relaxation in the beautiful city of Dubai. And while you're on board, you can expect a smooth, comfortable...
So I was going in there and waiting for the sort of another shit, so... Well, where are you going? What the fuck? Oh my gosh.
Could be a cornflakes, loose head crunch. It could be a rocket, or a cheap bottle of wine, or it could be me in a couple of months' time.
What the fuck are you doing?
It could be the
What the fuck are they doing? Oh wow. You fucking dumb cunt. There goes our day.
Is that the AI economy is actually driving a lot of the economic cycle.
What the fuck?
Too. It's not avoiding it or delaying it.
AI.
Whoa, 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 far out.
What an idiot.
Whoa! Oh my god.
काला है काला है काला क्या Oh, this is simulated.
一种螺丝是你可以去把它锁上。哎呦，小心点！还有上面还有，它传过来还有慢，你知道吗？哦，好可怕！
Now you have position. I just want to be forgiven. Is it something that you want? That you need from me? Tell me, I can call you.
They left. She cleaned up in the car the little blood that was on her, and they went on their way. And we know what happened next. She was pissed off at Sean. She tried to kill him.
Whoa! Jesus!
Jesus Christ.
That dude totally ran a lot.
Holy fuck, I nearly lost my car.
Oh my god.
What? Oh my gosh! That's good! Oh my goodness, our friend, long time. Long time.
What the fuck?
fuck is your fucking problem, you stupid cunt?
What are you doing, cuz? Fuck.
What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, mate? You're on the wrong side of the road.
Oh shit! Fuck. Dash cam!
Did you get that?
Yeah, we were.
Template, but it really, I think, emerged the most in the 90s, and it's continued forward. And now when I talk to guys in their 20s, because I have friends with kids who are now in their late teens and 20s, it seems that they are very comfortable with the idea of self-expression. I guess this is where I'm trying to reconcile this notion of like that we're so
What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
Doing?
Fuck me!
Going all over the fucking lanes. What the fuck is he doing? Like. What is this bro doing?